If you are not familiar with chives, chives belongs to the allium family, so basically the same family as the onion, the garlic, and shallots, and they are perennial in most growing zones. So we are zone 6B. So perennial means that they seed during summer, they die back during winter time, and they come back during springtime. So springtime is when you see the blossoms, and they're nice pinkish purple, and they're very one of the attractive flowers in your garden, so it can serve as an ornamental plant as well. So how do you identify chives? So chives has this hollow inside, and it's kind of rounded leaf, and it's different than there's another variety of chives called the garlic chives, which has broad leaf. I don't know if you could see it clearly, but this one has a white blossom, and it's mostly used in Asian cuisine. And the regular chives that is common in the United States has this rounded hollow portion, which is kind of like the scallion, and they have onion smell and garlicky taste, so it's the same as the garlic chives as well. So that means also their blossoms has the same taste and also has the same flavor and has the same aroma as well. When is the best time to harvest chives blossoms? Preferably as they start blooming or when they're in their nicest appearance in terms of the blossoms, like this pom-pom blossoms when they're bright pinkish purple. So typically springtime, not when they're about to die and about to seed, because by then it will start to have the seeds, the black seeds, and about to seed. So you want to harvest them about late spring, summer, depending on what zone you are in. So in our growing zone 6B, we harvest them about beginning of May, second week of May, end of May, kind of towards, you're pushing it towards like beginning of June. They start to wilt and turn to brown. That's when you harvest the seeds. So how do you harvest them? Well, you can harvest them different ways. You can just pluck the blossoms like this, or what I do, what I would prefer is so that I will cut the blossoms to the bottom with the stem like this, and I will go ahead and process the blossoms and compost the stems. The reason for that is so that your chive plant will grow more robust and better. So you kind of cutting it back in a way, because these stems, you can't really use them because they become so woody and hard, and it's hard, you can't really eat it. So I just compost it and use it as an insect repellent around my other plants as well. So that's how I personally want to harvest them. But you could harvest it in any way, or you can just cut back your chives. That's also another way of harvesting it. So I like this because it looks cool when you have a bunch of them and it looks like a bouquet, and you can put it in your vase as well. Benefits. What are the nutritional benefits of chives blossoms, if any, and how can you use them? So nutritional benefits of chives, it has a lot of similar nutritional benefits with its leaf, the chives leaf, but the blossom has a very delicate flavor and aroma, and so the benefits of this is it has a lot of vitamins and minerals actually. So it has vitamin C, and it has a high amount of vitamin K as well. So it even has a lot of minerals like potassium and calcium, and it also has vitamin A, vitamin C, and has a lot of other things. So basically it's very beneficial to us, and it also helps boost your immune system. So with that nutritional benefit, I really wouldn't mind using it and using it for culinary purposes. So during summer and springtime, it's very popular for culinary purposes with savory dishes, or you could use it for many different things. So let's talk about the uses of chives blossoms. So chives blossoms has a lot of different applications in the kitchen, not just for ornamental purposes to put in your vase, and it would be so nice to look at it in your kitchen table. But it's very good for cooking as well, and you can preserve it for winter time. So the most popular way to use chives is to use it as is and sprinkle it in your salad, and you can eat this raw. That's another way to use it on your cheese board or your platters. And you could also cook this in soups, patties, burgers, and you could use this for your omelette. And you could use this in both applications, raw and cooked, because you can eat this raw as well. So the flavor of Chives Blossom, it has a little kick, zing, onion, garlicky flavor. It has that strong onion aftertaste after. So you can use this basically to substitute onion, except when you're doing rings. And you can actually just also put them in batter or deep fry them. If you're into deep frying or air frying, you can use that as well. So what I mostly use them for is I use this for my infused oil and infused salt. So you can use this for your herb salts, and you can use this for your vinegars if you do those, if you use vinegar. And you could also freeze them. So today I'm actually gonna harvest them so I could freeze them for winter season, and I will dry some of them, and some of them I will use it for my herb infused salt. So how do I harvest my chives blossom? As I mentioned before, I like to harvest them towards the bottom, so preferably with a shear or a pruning shear, so not pulling it all the way like this. So, and then I would just rinse it and use this portion. And so that's how I would use chives blossoms. So let me know in the comments below if you have any more ideas of how you use the chives blossoms and how you preserve it. So I dehydrate some so I could take it backpacking with us, because we do a lot of outdoor activities, car camping, canyoneering, climbing, and so we take a lot of our own food. So I use this as onion. It's easier to prepare than onion because it's already in the small things. So let me know in the comments below if you like to use chives or if you want to use it for future purposes. So if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Let me know in the comments below if you wanted me to show you any specific preparations that I do for the chives, and I may have to do it like in future videos. I don't know yet, we'll see. So if you wanted to see more videos like this to help the channel, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.